Yo, what's good, everyone? It's your boy Amerscale Kicks. I hope everyone is good today, and I am doing another unboxing video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I just got a package in from Footlocker Canada again today, so much love Footlocker. I don't know what pair of shoes this is. I will have to see. It just showed up because I was sitting upstairs and I heard something had dropped off at my front door, and I wasn't sure like what got dropped off. I'm supposed to have a pair of Air Max 90s coming in the mail today. Dude, I can't wait for Air Max Day this year. It's just I'm gonna bring out some heat. Like I'm gonna bring out some fire. Um, I last night I just got from Nike's website the Volt Air Max 90s. They're on sale. I'll leave the link in the description down below if you guys want to cop a pair. Now, I have to let you know they don't have any big sizes in them right now. The only remaining sizes are smaller sizes. I think the biggest they have is a size 10 and a half. So if you guys are looking for, like a size 11 or anything, I'm sorry I can't help you there. But I'm a size 9.5 in all Air Maxes, so I've been looking at them for a while. I've been wanting a pair of Volt 90s for a while. I love the craftsmanship on them and everything they did, so I was like, I think I might have to. They retailed for 160 Canadian. They were down to 115. It's not the biggest discount, but still, it is what it is. So I got a 9.5 on the Volts, and then they have these purple ones also that I really liked. So I got those in a 9.5. But yeah, they're supposed to be here in the next few days, and then I have another pair of Air Max. Well, not the Volts aren't coming in the mail today, or the purples. Those are coming in the mail in the next few days. I actually have a pair of undefeated Air Max 90s coming in the mail today. Anytime. I'm still waiting on them. DHL said that they would be here today. They're out for shipping in my hometown. So enough said. Let's see what pair of shoes these are though. I am not sure which ones, but I'm still waiting for my fire red Jordan 5s to get here, the 2020 releases. Now, I will leave a link to Footlocker's app and website in the description down below. If you guys are on the hunt for any Jordan restocks, today Footlocker restocked 12 pairs of the Jubilee 11s in stock. They only have 7 pairs left, so act fast before they sell out. If you're happen to be a size 10 or 10.5, definitely go for it. I have 2 pairs. I think I'm good for now. I've spent way too much money on sneakers over the past couple of months, but let's see which ones these are. Oh, that was quick. I literally just ordered these like a couple of days ago, and they already came in the mail. Actually, not a pair of Jordan 5s. I'm still waiting, Footlocker. I wonder where they are. I got a size 10 in them. If you guys are looking for fire red 5s, Footlocker's got most sizes right now. The alternate Bel Air 5s, most sizes. Alternate Grape 5s, most sizes. So the list goes on. Any Jordan that released last year that you're looking for still, definitely go to Footlocker. You will get your pair easy. No error codes like on release day, none of that bullshit. It adds to cart, checks out right away, no issues. This is actually a pair of Air Force Ones that's reselling right now, has pretty good resale. And every time they restock on Footlocker, they actually sell out. So I was like, do you know what? Like, might as well pull the trigger on these before they sell out again. They did restock in most sizes. So I bought these to resell. This is a pair of Air Force One lows. I got them in the last size they had at the time. They don't come in your traditional Air Force One box. They come in the black and silver box, so that means they're like more premium. I'm gonna save the slip for these just in case. They're called Peace Love Air Force Ones. You're probably wondering which ones are those. Now, I'm not a fan of the color yellow, but dude, these are fire. Like, I've been eyeing these for a long time now. These are size 11. I don't fit an 11. I'm a size 9 in Air Forces. But, like, dude, like, just, they're so nice. Like, I was hesitant on these when I first saw them. Like, I was like, you know, yellow is a very, like, bright color. But, like, I got them for retail. Resale's pretty good. Like, their retail is 145. They resell for, like, 180 to 2. So, I'm gonna throw these up on sale today. See how it goes. If anyone's interested, hit me up. The swoosh is actually not leather like it usually is. It feels like suede or like some type of material like nubuck probably. It is leather all over. The leather is actually kind of soft, which is nice. I don't like when shoes have leather that's really stiff because it takes a really long time to wear in. And then it doesn't have the Nike Air logo on the heel like it usually does. It has a smiley face that's dripping in purple. Um, and then the tongue has your traditional Air Force One logo on the nylon tab, like that in yellow, purple, and like turquoise or like baby blue or whatever it is. That's got a all white outsole and midsole, black stitching on the midsole, and then it's got purple right here that says Air, and then it's got these little block things next to it, like these stripes that Air Force Ones always have, in matching purple. And then the insole says peace, love, and it has a peace sign like this. And then the other shoe is exactly the same. You got, and oh, I forgot to mention, it also has this dripping Nike swoosh on the side of the foot right here. Hands down, like, you know, like if I were to, like, I'm trying to get comfortable with the color yellow, orange, and green. I've never liked the color yellow, orange, or green. I just can't pull them off. They just don't suit me. Never have. But, you know, I made it one of my resolutions for this year. Get comfortable wearing colors that you normally wouldn't see yourself or picture yourself wearing, like you wouldn't be comfortable wearing. Because red's my favorite color. I own a lot of red. I own some gray. I own a lot of white. I own a lot of black. I have some blue, like navy blue. Very wearable colors. Yellow is just very hard for me, but if I can get a size of these in a size 9 as a personal pair, oh, you know it. I'm gonna wear them a lot. And they also have that perfect traction that Air Force Ones are known for. And then they just changed it up a little bit. Instead of these little circles right here being white, they actually made them in this like turquoise or like teal. And then they did it on the left shoe also. And then it comes in this like all-star printed wrapping paper inside the box. But the official colorway for the shoe is called Speed Yellow, Black, and Laser Blue. Suggested retail is 145 Canadian. They're size 11 men's. But yeah, there's nothing much else to it. But much love, guys. Thanks for watching. This is going up right now. These are sick, honestly. Like, but take care, guys. Keep liking, commenting, and subscribing down below. Until later, I'm in. I'm out. Y'all be easy. Take care. Love you guys. Peace. Bye. Enjoy your day.